Well, today is a big day for us. We are going to be putting together a swing set in the backyard for the kiddos. And it's gonna go just here behind the trampoline, between the back fence and the trampoline there. I bought a used Lifetime swing set and playground. It's a big one. I bought it for the kids for Christmas, and it's been sitting in storage since October. So as you can imagine, the kids are really anxious, and I just want to get it all put together before we get into full-time lawn season. So today's the day. I'm a little nervous. This may or may not be a good idea. Here we go. So first things first, I need to acquire a trailer, and my father-in-law's got one that I can use. So I'm gonna go get the trailer, and then we can start loading this thing up. Alright, so we have all the pieces here now, which is a little overwhelming, but we'll get through it. The first thing that I want to do, I need to replace the rope that goes on the back side of this main platform. So I've got a new rope here from Lifetime, and we'll go ahead and replace it. So hopefully this won't take too long and we can start getting the main structure together. Alright, that's gonna go ahead and do it for day one, and that took all afternoon. We started at 11:30 and it's 5 o'clock. So from pickup to where we're at now takes a lot of time, and that's with some of it already pre-assembled. So I can only imagine how long it takes coming in from right out of the box. But with it being used, there are a couple of missing pieces of hardware that I need to go pick up, and then I'll be able to attach the roof. And there's a little binoculars piece that goes there on the rail. There's a fire pole that goes on the back side of that ladder, and there's just a couple of doodads here and there that need to be replaced. So we'll get those parts, put it back together, show you the finished product.
1 week later.
Alright, we are back, and I've got a box. I had to go through Lifetime's customer support because they don't have extra parts in the actual stores. Now you know. But I've got everything I need here, all the extra hardware to attach the fire pole, on the back of the monkey bars, and I've got a new swing in here because one of them was a little broken. I have the hardware I need to attach the roof and a couple of other things that need to be attached. But the kids are already enjoying it and having fun, and we're excited to finish it off. There it is, she's all done, she's all together. Nice to have that out of the way. Well, it's kind of in the way now, and that's kind of what I'm getting at when I say that I'm a little nervous about this and how it's gonna be and how it's gonna go, because now twice a week when I mow the lawn, yes, I mow the lawn twice a week, I'm gonna be out here navigating a lawnmower and a string trimmer around this new obstacle, and I'm gonna be paying attention to how that goes and how I feel about it, and I'm gonna be making a follow-up video to this one talking about whether or not I think it's worth putting a swing set or a play set like this one right on the grass, or whether if it should be in a dedicated space outside of the grass to avoid having to deal with things like navigating a lawnmower around it. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you're interested in something like that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that video later on this year, and we'll look forward to more grass content coming out here pretty soon too. But that's gonna go ahead and do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.